Hey everybody, my family and I took a trip to Amish country, Millersburg, and I was in this shop. Oh, what's it called? Kaplata Trading Company? I don't know. I don't remember the name of it, but I saw this there, and I've been wanting like a Hulk figurine for my dresser and shit, and I saw it there and I had to have it. They had the other Avengers too, Thor, Captain America, and Iron Man. I wanted to get them, but I don't have $100 to blow, so I just gotta get Hulk Smash. Let's see. Get this shell into the place. God damn it. Slip a pinch. It's a bobblehead. Well, actually, oh, this shell over my floor. It says it's a Headknocker, which sounds like a movie I've seen once, but that's another story. Okay. Let's see if I can cut this shit off without splattering. Gotta be cantankerous. There we go. Here we go. And the unveiling. Awesome. This is the last one they had. All this shit off of Hulk's face. Looks like he's got smallpox. Okay, and there is the Hulk Avengers Headknocker. Badass face. Let's see, where am I going to put it now? Let's see. And here it is, sitting proudly on my dresser. The Hulk Headknocker.